Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To create a new playlist from the My Collection screen, go to My Collection, sort by playlist, then tap plus New Playlist. Enter a name for your playlist and tap Next. Use the search bar to find your favorite songs or albums to add to your playlist.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you're doing this on the web, just head to your Playlist tab under the Music library, then hit the three dots under the playlist you want to share. Select Share to make the playlist public, and you'll get a link that will direct anyone right to it.
Let's help you make your mark.
Create playlists on iPhone. Tap Library, tap Playlists, then tap New Playlist. Touch and hold a song, album, or playlist. Tap Add to a playlist, then tap New Playlist. On the now playing screen, tap Add to a playlist, then tap New Playlist.
Let's help you make your mark.
Pandora is very similar when it comes to the quality and variety of their curated playlists. While Pandora Stations is much better than Spotify Radio, Spotify makes up for it by having a better discovery algorithm. Whether you prefer the music discovery style of Spotify or Pandora is completely up to preference.
Take our lead.
To create a station on the Pandora website, in the search tool at the top of your screen enter an artist, song, composer or genre. Then click the appropriate search result. It may help to filter your results by station, to go to its backstage page. Click Start Station to add the station to your collection.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.